So hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Glenn and today we're looking at the new Commonwealth of Australia commemorative Olympic coins. And these are the coins you can get at Woolworths, whereas I continue to call it Safeway in Victoria. And these cost $15. But you can also buy them from the Royal Australian Mint if you don't have Woolworths nearby. Or you can buy them at coin shops. I've got an email that Direct Coins is selling these for $15 each. And I'm not too sure if any other coin shops are, but we'll have a look and see if they are. So this is the only cover I have. So I'm not too sure if they are going to issue different other covers like they did in 2016. So we have a male kangaroo and a female kangaroo to represent male and females in the Olympics. And this is not for the Paralympics. That is another $2 coin that will be issued on October the 18th. So this is actually, yeah, it's okay. Kangaroos don't have this type of hairstyle. Or yeah, I'm not too keen on that. If we look at the back, we've got some images, obviously, lots of different sports. You've got badminton, shooting, no idea what that is, sailing, and all the other sports. So the kangaroos doing different sports. So, and if we open up, we have an information pic at the start, and yep, so there is nothing else on the cover. So this is just folded over and it's just printed as one. Then we come to the coins. So here we have the Unleash the Spirit, and we have information. So they're all pretty much, it has uncirculated, but that's the finish. After they've minted the coins, they get put in the barrels, get put in the bags or rolls or something like that anyway. Now, probably just barrels really, and they get damaged. So these ones will show damage, and they're meant for circulation, so they just would have taken them out of the coins that were supposed to be for circulation. So let's have a look at the actual coins themselves. So you can actually take it out here, and if we zoom in, so if I can bring the light over, you can see that the coins themselves are flowers. Maybe if I take them out of the cover, so you can actually take them out of the cover, and on the back we have 2020. So it's probably zoomed in a bit too much. You can see the dedication coin is green flowers, and this printing is actually a lot more advanced than any of the other ones they've made before, because you got most of its green printing. Looks like you got a white underlay, then the green on top, and it's bordered by black. So a lot of it is bordered by black. And if we look at the other coins, so you can take all of these out, which I'll do now. I'm not too concerned about damaging things, because this is for my personal collection. I only got two so far, and I just got it just in case other people can't get the coins. I'm not really interested in selling them. So here's the yellow one. So this is for striving. You can see. Okay, let's zoom in. So then we've got the actual flame of the Olympics. So that's nice. And it's got these raised rims to help the paint stay on the actual coin. And you've got these lines there to find lines for the same purpose. So then we have this coin. So this is the red one. This has Mount Fuji to represent Japan. And That looks like a nice coin. Yeah, I do like the paint on these coins. They're quite nice. But they're all the same. Just different colours. Here we have the male kangaroo, the blue coin. So males are blue. And you can see that the flowers are all in the same position in their design. So we've got 6 large flowers, and in between we've got smaller flowers. So that is nice. And these coins are all dated 2020. So these sets were made last year. Okay, the Australian Olympic emblem with the Olympic rings and the coat of arms. So there's green, and then we have so these have been found without the denomination and just the effigy. That's a mule coin, so that's a mule you should find. And also you should look for a bullseye with the colour on the queen side, so it looks like the queen's in a bullseye. And this one's slightly off centre, but that's normal for $2 coins. And this one is a female kangaroo, and that's a black colour. So you can, so let's try and zoom in a bit more. Pixelation gets worse as you zoom in, so I shouldn't do that. Maybe come closer, but I can only go closer to a certain extent. And what else was there? There is, the flame, Mount Fuji. Am I missing one? No, I think I've gone through them all. So that's basically the actual coins. So these ones you can get and change at Woolworths. I'm not even going to be worried about that. I've got a whole lot of the 2016 Olympics. They don't really sell that well. But I do like these coins. So there's going to be 2 million of each minted. And I reckon that those 2 million are going to be put in the sets. So it's going to be like, I don't know, 1.5 million minted, issued for circulation, and about 400,000 or 500,000 sets. So these are not really going to be ready. 400,000 or 500,000 is enough for the collector's market in Australia. But they're going to be harder to get if you go overseas. So maybe I'll send a few overseas to people who want to collect these. Anyway, what do you think of these coin series? So here is the link to Direct Coins. So there's the actual coin there. Now I've dealt with these people before and I have no problem with them. I highly recommend that you buy them from them. I've brought from Wynyards and also Imperial coins, and I have no problem with all of them. So these ones are $15, the same price as the coins from the market, from Woolworths. That's just in case you need to get them. And also I see that Wynyards, or MR Roberts, I just call them Wynyards, are also selling these for $15, and they've also got the older ones. Another thing is that after these have all sold out, they'll probably double in price. So there is a few coin shops selling them, as well as, so you got Max Stern as well. So pretty much all the coin shops, it looks like they are selling them. And here we got Downies. Downies is also selling them as well. So these are a lot easier to get than they were when they decided to start doing this. So then we have the Royal Australian Mint. They're selling them for $15. So we'll see what covers they come in. So we have just the male. Then, yeah, we have the male. We have the female cover. So that's 2. And, So we've got pretty much 3 covers, it looks like. So yeah, I don't have the third one there. So we've got 3 covers. We've got one with just her, one with him, and obviously this one, which they're both together. So these ones are $15, and you can buy 25 per customer. What else? Specifications? Unlimited mintage, but they said that there's going to be a mintage of 2 million each. And you know, you got some other ones. So pretty much you can buy them anywhere for $15, 45 coins, or if you're willing to wait every week, just go to Woolworths and try like at getting them in your change. So yeah, they're a nice coin. I do quite like them. Beautiful. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. Hope it was informative and it helps you with getting your hands on these coins. But as I keep saying, see how off-centered this one is. So this is pretty normal, but what you want is one where it doesn't have the rim at all. So that's nice, and you can see the damage on the coin being scratched. So this has been in a barrel, it's just been plucked out, put into the coin. Yeah, but these were minted like a year ago and they've just been sitting there. So we were speculating that these were probably going to be issued for the Olympics instead of them minting new coins. I'm glad they issued these instead of the new ones, because that would have just been a waste of resources. Anyway, hope you get your hands on these, and thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.